Enti so far Andrew ne die esi ni na me brew update a efa eye Hawa Koomson they were task force for no air attack no na said omusi esibrim no abusua na nima nyina aponche ponche aba what you say I made that story na eba ye no nsem bebre akoso eye ye mame Louisa ono so oba be di nkomo e de afa Hawa Koomson they were esibo no no so abedi nkomo Kennedy akompreko ono so wade nkomo bi e de aba ababeka yensa e wo hase na before say ye beko yensem na akwakotie de ekoso between eye Hawa Koomson de wa yesi ebo no ene ekwan a enam so e ma ne ba ye ni na no message say ne mo be subscribe to ye channel no say ni update bia nso etomu a onso obenya bi atie na wa share ato adapra amaye enti abusuya say ye ba eye Hawa Koomson endra abrekuma ye ne style bia bi omule no wo hwe de wa bema etumi ekɔ ne so te sɛ mmoa bi kontokwa wate ase na endra ekɔ wie ye no NDC fo ene tumi edi nkunim ɛwɔ ɛyɛ abrekuma na de course wɔ hɔ no ene ye ba bedi ɛho enkomo enye de odi nkunim ntokwa na course wɔ hɔ no ɛyɛ ye maame Hana bisa ɔno so ɛde nsɛm bi etodwa na yenkotie nsɛm a wɔde todwa ene ɛyɛ NDC fo ni bi nso ɛkasa ye wie a na yakwa kotie die ekoso eye Kennedy akopreko ensemo a odi tudwa no ye be kwakotie ni nyina ye ni kan entie ye maame Hana e
will be aware to supporters all the parties in terms of taggery and attacks.
The first place, my word to the very person who was attacked, who brought tax to attack me as a former member of parliament also. During the Yawasu by-election, she came with about 30 tax men straight to me and directed a beating. I was beaten. When the police managed to put me in my car, they chased me. What saved me from the moving car was my seatbelt. Honorable Amate, the former MC of Teshi, tried to intervene. He was beaten, his wife was beaten. I want to put on record that any form of electoral violence, I condemn it. I want that to be on clear records. But let nobody ask me, a victim of Hawa Koomson, to sympathize or empathize with it. I don't.
It's payback time? It's payback time?
No, if it were to be... No, you see, don't ask certain questions. If you say payback time, it means that I should have gone to slap her. I don't think she even deserves my slap. I'll be wasting my hands and my slap. If you say payback time, then it should have been me going after her. No, I'll not do that. But what I'm saying is that I'm a victim of Hawa Koomson. She danced to it. She smiled, she laughed when I was being beaten. What about those who were killed as a result of a violence at Kasua? What will you say to their family members? What about our own member of parliament for Kasua, what she went through? That's why I'm saying that I condemn any form of electoral violence. As a matter of fact, any form of violence, I condemn it. So I'm not in a position to advise her. She should advise herself and advise her own people. And let nobody point fingers at NDCs because we didn't do it. We are winning an election. We are very busy moving from house to house. And so, if anything, or not if, because it really happened, she got slaps, I'm told, she was beaten, I didn't see it. Probably, she will now rethink and advise her own political party, their followers, that next time she sends them, they should not go. So, I don't think I'm the right person for anybody to tell me, oh, I feel sorry for Hawa Koomson. Did she feel sorry for me when I was beaten? What makes her so special? That if she been paid by who? Her own party people. That I should start crying. I'm very busy. I'm going around getting people and talking to people to come out and vote. That is my prime interest here. The other one is that we don't want any violence around me because my own sister Rabna is winning. And we have one more seat in parliament. That is my interest, that is my prime interest, and that is my prime for the most important thing. And thank God the place is calm. But I'm a victim of electoral violence, and a victim of the violence of Hawa Koomson.
Meeting, and now we're meeting a meter or deserve it. So we're meeting a meter or deserve it. While my young call for be Yabubo Mutua or Kaswa, I want to be Nante. Kaswa recently 2024 election, you come nipa because of Ninti. Until your Bible, my attacks and not to who to ano. So what you say? Until the karma and then in Asia, but the NDC for any in Asia, the karma and in Asia.
And also on Votua.
On Votua, Kaswa, Tayan or Bora entrance.
So Obama support.
Obama support, Mr. was some support, but always some alcohol. Aha, until on deserve so I'm assuming deserve some alcohol. Until Open Rano, so Ghana Rano, be Ambroso.
But condemning the fact that Oma attacking.
Me patron me condemn it fat. Aha, me condemn it fat so my bonana. Me name ni pa bonana make us say. Unyuma bedi wechi. Send your book kaswa for kum kaswa for no. Ebia no when you enemy sound your manam. But in your kaswa for the ababono. And then you NDC for the yabono. Patron, what in a person throwing I say? Aha, and a karma is real. Send your dear young call forward, baby. No, son of Bishop de Bayano. And tis a bassa or deserve it. No more NDC for the Yadiano. Aswa. Hawa Koomson na Georgia ya wakaswa. Hawa Koomson. Sister me donyame kwahwe nipa obodi dem omugu dem because of Hawa Koomson. Wo kasa sister oba fra boko boys abrew. Oba bo utuo sister police ni ntumi nkasa, obi antumi nkasa, oba abesia. Na wo ye twawo na maka, ye twawo na maka kra wo bekasa. Ko Facebook kwa sister oba we ku wakaswa nyina, ye de abobo bo nipa tim se Tuareg ko Facebook kwa sister ni ti da ho. Me PC papa bi honorable Felix na call you because of name or IGP or register too. But what you me na say one register din ya timi tum. Hawa Koomson ma ya de ni tumu o jane nursing baby to them e be ye demonstration wa ka ye ni anya de akwa omo jeli akwala no. How dare you wo bro mla so ato aba wa ha register na da ho ni di wo.
And now we shall utie the air ye mame Hana Bisa on air NDC members will be air can, which means you do me, I'll do you, and air coso our Ghana because on the chimua MPP for Eddie can IAB and Omonso Uyebia say a atkatika what you say and he said ye yabo a ye mame Hawa na says ya nanima yina no and this for the chimua a no abusia yenkotie Kennedy akopre kon ono so endo kopie mu ho after say ya mame Koomson omo ele no ono so e de nsem bi etodwa abra oni MPP for members for ni bi ehia ye no yenko na yenkotie de eden ekoso e wo that side
I don't know the people that are voting, but my concern was the violence. But so far they come.
Violence which not only at your master said your tea said you now only what year said your tea
but the whole TV so action on a person television I know they create in the beginning but we buy NDC from TMP for Ethiopia and I'm no good young person now baby we back to pay and you know we just have to be nice to each other in Ukraine. I have not witnessed any violence. I cannot say and you know the media say a continuous say to 6 o'clock. That is not the end of
Ghana will be with GDA say next year na oye una only as a father so be president ye win also ba allow so party boys let me put in that quote, party boys. So Uncle Bronco Forza. Because I'm unfortunate, I was so this year. And then the revenge will be say, Abba.
See, there should be a cut-off point for all this. I believe in development. And you can only develop when there is peace in the country. They will ensure peace and ensure discipline. Nobody is above the law. And they trust me. I mean, yes, I'm a president. May fire a lot of the police officers who were there. I will arrest those people who were captured in the Cameroon. To serve as a deterrent. We NDC, we MPPU, Odi Bonia, Ghana. You can't take anybody's life. You can't beat anybody. We are all one people. The media, I will ensure peace and fairness. See, we are saying, fairness, what we are seeing now will not be seen. Why a reference say, you see what I was so. And then, yeah, I'm afraid the young Sam John said the post and go ye. They are nice with everybody. Your mom said 6 o'clock. But so far, the police force.
What do you reach out to Unia Bana, Sabi, Omodoma Saka? No.
Come round. Even MP no grab me two candidate with two on na cast or would the PMC and 4 round across. You want son. So far, the young umpire say by 6. Now, as Yaba, what we need to win. Life still goes on.
Kennedy Akopre and also ordinance of Tuja. Meslow, Mammy who are doing I will comment section or so I need you now. I subscribe to your channel. No send updates. Be answer etomwa also on Sa Ebeka now share at other platforms so a day and my ketawasi and ya do no sope and ya piale macrow. Bye bye.